Today we discuss about previous JNTUA problems. Previous JNTUA problems on induction motor. Is a problem. A three-phase. First problem. A three-phase 50H 500 volts, 6 pole induction motor, 6 pole induction motor, wound for 6 poles. Wound for 6 poles. Calculate first one synchronous speed, second one rotor speed, when slip is 3%, rotor frequency when motor runs at 800 rpm. This is the problem asked on 2017 December. This is a problem asked on 2017 December. The solution. What the given data? 3 phase frequency equal to 50 Hz, number of poles equal to 6 pole. So what they calculate? First bit is synchronous speed. Ns equal to what? 120 F by P. So 120 into F is 50 Hz divided by 6 pole. 120 into 50 divided by 6 pole. That is equal to 1000 rpm. Second one, rotor speed. N equal to what? Ns into 1 minus S. Ns into 1 minus. Slip equal to what? 3%. 3 by 100. 0.03. 0.03. So N equal to what? Ns equal to 1000 into 1 minus 0.03. 1000 into 1 minus 0.03 equal to 970 rpm. N equal to 970 rpm. So next, third bit, rotor frequency. Fr is equal to Sf. When motor runs at 800 rpm. That means they given n equal to 800. We can have ns equal to 1000. So slip equal to what? Ns minus n divided by ns. Ns equal to 1000 minus 800 divided by 1000. 1000 minus 800 divided by 1000. It is equal to 0.2. Slip equal to 0.2. Frequency. Fr equal to what? Slip times F. Slip equal to 0.2. F equal to 50. 0.2 into 50. It is equal to 10 Hz. A three phase 50 Hz 100 volts 6 pole induction motor gives an output of 37.3 kilowatt at at 955 rpm. At 955 rpm, the power factor is 0.86. Friction and windage losses is 1492 kilowatts. Losses total is 1490 kilowatts. Stator losses amount to 1.5 kilowatt. Determine line current, efficiency. Determine line current, efficiency and rotor copper loss for this load. This is the problem also asked in 2017 December. In this 1492 kilowatts is not there. This is on, I think, 1492 watts because output is 37.3 kilowatt. So losses is 1492 kilowatt is not there. 1492 watts. So solution, take it output. P output equal to what? 37.3 kilowatt. Next, N equal to 955 rpm. F equal to what? 50 H. So poles equal to 6 pole. The stator losses equal to 1.5 kilowatt. Friction and windage losses equal to 1.492 kilowatt. The efficiency equal to how much? What is the formula for efficiency? Efficiency equal to what? Output by input. So output is input equal to output plus stator copper loss plus rotor copper loss plus friction and windage losses. We know the friction and windage losses, output no, stator no, but we don't know the rotor copper loss. So mechanical power developed, PM is equal to 1 minus S P2. We know the PM, we don't know the P2. We can calculate slip equal to what? Ns minus n divided by ns. Here n is given as 955 rpm. Ns equal to 120 f by p. So 120 into 50 divided by 64. So 1000 rpm. Slip equal to 1000 minus what the given speed 955. 1000 minus 955 divided by 1000 equal to 0.045. Mechanical power developed, PM is equal to 1 minus S P2. What is the PM? P output plus friction and windage losses. What about P output? 37.3 kilowatt. Friction and is 1.492 kilowatt. 38.792 kilowatt. 38.792 kilowatt. From this relation, Pt equal to what? Pm by 1 minus S. Pt equal to Pm by 1 minus S. Pm is 38.792 divided by 1 minus S 0.045. So divided by 1 minus 0.045. 40.619. 40.619 kilowatt. This is the rotor input. What is the rotor copper loss? Rotor copper loss. Pc is equal to what? Sp2. Pc equal to Sp2. Slip is what? 0.045. P2 is 40.619. So 1.827 kilowatt. 1.827 kilowatt. Substitute that value in here. We can get input. P input equal to P output plus total losses. P output is what? 37.3 kilowatt. What is the stator losses? 1.5. What is the rotor? 1.827. What is the friction and windage losses? 1.492. So that is 1.3 plus 0.5 plus 1.492. 42.119 kilowatt. So rotor input equal to 42.119 kilowatts. 42.119 kilowatts. Efficiency equal to what? Output by input. What is the output? 37.3. What is the input? 42.119 into 100. 37.3 divided by 2 equal to 88.55%. Efficiency equal to 88.55%. What they ask is the determine line current, efficiency and rotor copper losses. Already rotor copper loss determined, efficiency determined. What is the line current? P input equal to what? Root 3 VLIL cos pi. Root 3 VLIL cos pi. Line current equal to what? P input divided by root 3 VL cos pi. P input is what? 42.119 into 10 cube divided by root 3. The line voltage is 500. Power factor gives by the power factor of 0.86. So 42.119 none here. 42.119 into 10 cube divided by root 3 into 500 into 0.86. So line current is 56.55 amperes. Line current is 56.55 amps. This is this one problem. So next problem. This question paper they given about circle diagram. All of you draw circle diagram. So next problem, this one is 2018. This problem is 2018 December. 2018 December three phase, a three phase 400 volts, comma 50 Hz induction motor takes power input of 35 kilowatts at its full load speed of 890 rpm. The total stator losses are 1 kilowatt. Stator losses are 1 kilowatt, and the friction and windage losses are 1.5 kilowatt. Calculate first one slip, second one rotor copper loss, third one shaft power, fourth one efficiency. This is also a problem about power flow of induction motor. Given that, what is that one? 400 volts, F equal to 50 Hz power input, P in equal to 35 kilowatt, speed N equal to 890 rpm. Total stator losses equal to 1 kilowatt. Friction and windage losses 1.5 kilowatts. Friction and windage losses is 1.5 kilowatts. So what's that one? First to calculate slip equal to what? Ns minus n divided by ns. They given n, we can calculate ns equal to 120f by p. Here in this problem is number of poles is not given, so assume 6 poles. 120 into 6 divided by p. Is a 1000 rpm. This one is 1000 rpm. So 1000 minus 890 divided by 1000 equal to 0.11. Slip is 0.11. Second one is rotor copper loss. What is the rotor copper loss? PC equal to what? SP2. PC equal to SP2. Slip times P2 equal to what? P input minus stator copper loss. P input what they given? 35. Stator copper loss is 1 equal to 34 kilowatt. We can get P2. What is the PC? PC equal to slip times. Slip equal to what? 0.11 into 34. 0.11 into 34. 3.74 kilowatt. 3.74 kilowatt. Next, what out? Shaft power, mechanical power developed. PM is equal to 1 minus S P2. PM is equal to 1 minus S P2. So 1 minus 0.11 into P2 is 34. 1 minus 0.11 into 34, 30.26. Mechanical power developed equal to 30.26. So next, shaft power. They ask shaft power efficiency. Ask efficiency. So P output is equal to P mechanical minus friction and windage losses. Friction and windage losses. So that is why PM. PM is what? 30.26 minus friction and windage losses is 1.5. 30.26 1.5. That is 28.76 kilowatt. 28.76 kilowatt. So efficiency equal to what? Output by input. Output is what? 28.76. Input is 35. Input is 35 into 100 into 8.76 divided by 35 into 100. Efficiency is 82.17%. So next class we discuss about some more problems related to this induction motors. Okay, thank you.